Hey guys, my name is Rachel, the digital editor for NextHome, and in today's video, I'm going to give you a quick tour of my living room space and explain some of the things in this room that just make sense. I hope this gives you an idea on how to arrange your living room space, especially if we have the same layout or size. So let's begin by starting with the couch. So this was the very first thing we chose to buy for our living room. We thought that the couch was the most important part of the room and that the rest of the furniture would be based on how the couch looked. So we bought this L-shaped sectional in lime gray from Muse & Merchant, which is a Canadian company located in Coquitlam. Our sectional came with the sofa, the chaise, and 2 throw pillows. The neutral gray color helps lighten the room, and it's usually a safe color for us to work with. Plus, I really like this sofa because it keeps its shape even after I've sat on it for a long period. Next, you'll see the 3 other throw pillows I added to the sofa, and I got all of them from HomeSense. I didn't want my gray sofa to look bland in a white wall setting, so I added a splash of color. I went with these 3 pillows, one that is a solid color and has some texture, another one with a very fun pattern, and this long pillow just to play with the proportion and shape. I like to karate chop or fluff them, making a V-shaped indent to look more stylish. Okay, next up we have the coffee table. We were actually pretty strict with how big our coffee table should be because it had to fit with the size of the couch we bought. It had to be 2/3 the length of the inner couch and the same height as our couch. We bought this one from Rosewood Home and Condo located in North Vancouver, but the real selling point of this coffee table is its extra storage space. Throw pillows, blankets, and other small things can be stored inside. The table also lifts up so I can work here or eat here while watching TV. Before we move on to the next half of this video, if you are enjoying our content so far, give this video a like and subscribe to our channel here at NextHome. Now, no living room space is complete without area rugs. Area rugs have a unique way of tying a room together. They also help cut down on noise and echoes in the room, and they are much more comfortable than standing on a hardwood floor. So we actually got this at a steal from Costco. First off, I love the contemporary print with blue accents that match the color of the throw pillows, creating rhythm in the space. Second, the material is made of polypropylene, might have butchered that, sorry, but that fabric is generally easier to clean. Another element that gives life to the space are indoor plants. As you can see, we have a lot of them. They're not just for adding greenery, but I also find that having plants affects my mood in ways that just make life better. Some were housewarming gifts from family and friends, and this ficus tree was from Canadian Tire. Last but not least, we have our roller blinds or window treatments. To keep things simple, we chose a solid beige color. It lets a little bit of sunlight through, which is great for our indoor plants. We can also see what's going on outside, but people looking in from the outside can't see us. This gives us a lot of privacy without blocking the natural light from coming in, so we still get to enjoy the sunshine outside from the comfort of our home. So that's all for today's video on living room ideas. I hope you guys enjoyed me sharing my personal living room space. I know that it still has a long way to go, so if you have any suggestions on how I can improve my space, comment it down below to let me know. Also, if you are enjoying content like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel here at NextHome for more real estate and lifestyle content across Canada. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next one.